Bilo and Sneh finally meet up to squash their beef, and people are saying that the only way for Sneh and Bilo to get along is Sneh must go back to school. Guys, I don't think this has something to do with education. Bilo on Bilo being a graduate, or Sneh she's jealous of Bilo. Sneh, guys, singulo muntu ocabanga ukuthi yena she's always right. One thing was Sneh, guys, we all have that family member always complaining with no solution. You will tell them start a business, they will complain. Go back to school, will complain. Look for a job, they will always complain with no solution. They always want you to feel sorry for them, and it's draining, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. So guys, tonight is Yakhala is this Temple season 3 episode 3, guys. So Usne and Bilo finally meet up. Usne uyabuza, Bilo uyabuza ukuthi kanti guys, what is wrong with you, Usne? Why are we fighting? I don't know where I have wronged you. Usho Bilo, guys, Usne uthi yena, I don't know where I stand with you. I can't talk to you. Haibo, guys. Bilo will talk to me about what? You know where I stay, where with Sneh. You can come and talk to me anytime. So, according to Sneh, she wants Bilo to beg her. Guys, phela uMacele, she's the only one who begs Sneh. The rest, they don't care, guys. If you talk to me, I talk to you. She's this type of person, Bilo, guys. Like Abongwe, they do have a great relationship, no Abong, because they do get along. So Usne, she wants people to come to her. That is totally wrong. Sometimes now you must go to other people. So anyway, guys, we cannot wait to watch this Temple tonight. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.